Desk is experiencing the coldest temperatures we've seen in over half a year. And if you've spent any time outside, you'll know that it's a teeth-chattering cold that sinks right into your bones.
Folks, that teeth-chattering cold is no joke. But the cold weather is no match for what you're about to watch. Pay close attention as I make this creamy, low in calorie, crowd pleasing starter and show you a fun way to serve it. And as you view, let's warm our hearts with this devotional. 4 clues to who Jesus is to you. Key passages: Isaiah 9 verses 1 to 7. Isaiah 9 verse 6 states, "For to us a child is born, to us a son is given, and his name shall be called Wonderful, Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, Prince of Peace." Though their circumstances were grim, Isaiah tells Israel a Messiah is coming who will redeem everything. Jesus is that Messiah, and in this passage, Isaiah uses 4 titles to describe Jesus' role and character: Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, Prince of Peace. Jesus makes decisions with divine wisdom we will never understand. His insight isn't hidden from us. As a wonderful counselor, Jesus leads us to make wise decisions as well. Mighty God is a nod to Jesus' divinity. Jesus is one with God. He was with God at the creation of the earth, and nothing is beyond his ability to affect. Jesus is called Everlasting Father because through him we can know God the Father. No one has ever seen God but the one and only Son, who is himself God and is in closest relationship with the Father, has made him known. That's John 1 verse 18. Lastly, as Prince of Peace, Jesus is the ruler whose reign will bring about peace and tranquility that never cease. For Israel, these names would have brought joy and comfort during their dangerous and unsettling circumstances. The same is true for us today. No matter what we're going through, when we are in Christ, we can look to Jesus as our wonderful counselor, mighty God, everlasting Father, and Prince of Peace. Let's reflect. Of the 4 names Isaiah uses to describe Jesus, which one means the most to you? Why? Have you ever seen Jesus fulfill each of these roles in your lives? Continue to view, be inspired, and be an inspiration to others. Peace be unto you. Blessings.